Are you trying to decide between Fedora and Debian? You are not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular Linux distributions. Both have loyal fans and unique features. Let's dive in. Fedora and Debian are both open source operating systems. They provide a stable platform for users to run applications and manage systems. Both have strong communities and plenty of software available. First, let's talk about Fedora. It's known for being cutting edge. Fedora often includes the latest software and features. It's great for users who want to try new technology. Fedora also has a strong focus on security and performance. It's a good choice for developers and tech enthusiasts. Now, let's look at Debian. Debian is famous for its stability. It's been around for a long time and is trusted by many users. Debian focuses on providing a reliable experience. It's perfect for servers and users who want a system that just works. Debian also has a vast repository of software, making it easy to find what you need. So, what are the main differences? Fedora is more about innovation, while Debian emphasizes stability. Fedora updates often, while Debian has a slower release cycle. This means Fedora users get new features quickly, but Debian users enjoy a more tested environment. When it comes to features, Fedora offers a more modern desktop experience. Debian, on the other hand, provides more flexibility in choosing desktop environments. In terms of pricing, both are free to use. You won't pay anything to download or install them. In the end, if you love the latest tech and enjoy experimenting, Fedora might be for you. But if you prefer a stable, reliable system, Debian is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.